There is a power to make the handling simple. There is a power to make the handling simple. Henan Perfect Handling Equipment Company Limited has been devoting to the development of material handling business with a philosophy that creating value for clients is creating value for itself, which is the lead of material handling solution area. Henan Perfect has an 8,000 square meter production base, backbones more than 100 people, and 15 senior R&D engineers. It is one of the few companies which can customize the product completely according to clients' requirement. The main product includes railway used track tractor, railway truck inspection vehicle, battery power rail transfer cart, cable power transfer cart, rail power transfer trolley, die transfer cart, rail guide vehicle, automatic guide vehicle, and special customized cart. The annual output of all kinds of transfer carts has exceeded 1,000 units, could meet the material handling demand for rail transit, industrial metallurgy, heavy industry, shipbuilding, light industry. So far, we have supplied more than 3,000 units high-class products to the domestic and foreign markets, had served for Chinese Academy of Sciences, Tsinghua University, East China University of Science and Technology, Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, Shogun Group, China Shipbuilding Industry, and other well-known clients. The products have been exported to more than 50 countries and regions in the world. And we have established a long-term strategic partnership with the international major railway operators. At the same time, we also supply the small amount and complex product. The company has obtained the production qualification for rail handling equipment and trackless handling equipment on 2015 and 2016, and successfully obtained more than 10 patents, certificates for ISO 9001, CE, SGS, and several others, such as Scientific and Technological Achievements Award and Scientific and Technological Progress Award. In 2017, Henan Perfect has listed on the 4th Board of Equity Trading Center and the title of National High-Tech Enterprises. The production process covers from cutting, feeding, to quality testing after production, includes steel plate pre-treatment, CNC cutting blanking, shaping, welding, spray pre-treatment, assembling, installation, and debugging of electrical equipment, appearance spraying process, etc. The Technology Center, found by Henan Perfect has rich experience in material research, product designing, manufacturing process, test and test, etc. Through independent research and development, we have mastered the core technology of high speed, heavy load, explosion-proof, high temperature, lifting, high power traction, S-track and C-track turning, trackless automatic and intelligent carrier, and cooperate with the top-class universities at home and abroad. The Technology Center has provided strong detection technology and quality assurance for our production. Henan Perfect Handling, closely around the National One Belt, One Road strategy, grasps the market and customer needs and strives to become the global rail transportation vehicle. Workshop intelligent research and handling of automation products manufacturing industry, world-class brands.